What's up, guys? So I pulled out my gas tank out of this '06 Chevy Impala. It doesn't make a difference, but it's an SS. They're all the same. At least the '06 and up to I think like 2010 or 2011. The same body style, pretty much is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, this car has from before, I had speakers in it, and somebody put a piece of wood back there to mount like amps and batteries, but one of the screws, of course, went through. I went to go take the wood out. Instantly started smelling gas. So it's from this one, and then I tried to glue it back in, and put another self tapper back in, but even though I put it in the same hole, it missed it. So instead of replacing the gas tank, because now they're closed and I need to put this back together, what I'm going to do is try to plastic weld this. I've never done it before. And another thing is I'd obviously be careful with this because it's heat. Shouldn't ignite, but you never know. So what I'm going to do first is, it came with a metal wire brush. I'm going to clean this up as good as I can. Melt the plastic back into this. And what I'm going to do too is I'm going to throw JB Weld, the plastic, on top of this. I don't think it's going to really stick because of the material this gas tank's made out of. That's another thing. Even though it says plastic gas tanks on there, it depends on the material that the plastic is made out of. So Harbor Freight actually sells the iron. It's just an 80-watt plastic welding kit. So it comes with the iron, little brush, and a whole bunch of plastic. This is the plastic weld I was talking about. JB Weld, plastic weld, quick setting epoxy. Says 5 minutes. And I'm gonna put this on top of the plastic weld once I do it, just to be safe. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I need to pass E-check, and I can't pass E-check with this hole in there because it throws check engine light. This actually looks like it might work pretty good, to be honest with you. Try to fill up these like little scratch marks in here too. I just want to pass E-check. Honestly, I think that should be good. Alright, I'm done with this. So that should be good. I'm gonna unplug this so it stops burning. I'm actually pretty happy with how that worked. I didn't think it was gonna work that well. that should honestly fix my problem. I probably don't even need to put that glue on, but I'm gonna put it on there just in case. Yeah, mix this. It's a 2-part epoxy. And then all I want to do is just lay this on top just in case. So I'm just gonna end the video there. That's really all I wanted to film for the plastic welder and the gas tank. I'd say this is like a legit way on how to repair a hole in a gas tank. It's probably the safest way, I'd say, too. I don't really think I wouldn't do it on a full tank. I'd do it on a half a tank or below. I had like 50 miles left on this gas tank anyways, and so I was empty. But this was actually pretty cheap. It was like $18. So if you need plastic welder, I'd definitely go to Harbor Freight and get theirs if you have a Harbor Freight. If not, Amazon probably has a similar one for cheaper or the same exact one. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna put this gas tank back in and call it a day. Hopefully the gas line doesn't leak. I had to go to Napa and actually make a line. Thanks for watching.